Welcome back to this video, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you on how to turn on comments on a YouTube video. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about YouTube topic. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you upload a video on your YouTube channel from your YouTube studio. After you have successfully uploaded the video, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down to the last button. So where you have comments and ratings. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on turn on. So having click on turn on, then you have to click on comment modification. So under the comment modification, there are certain things you can do right here. One of them is that you can decide to hold some of the comments before you can actually approve them for you. You can decide to hold them for a review before you can approve them to be on your video. You can decide to put it on a non-holding. You can put it on a restricted. You can also put it on comment on hold so that before they can appear on your video, you can decide whether to appear or not to appear in your comment section on any YouTube video. So basically, this is how you can actually turn on comment section on your YouTube video. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about YouTube topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.